Good evening. Today I am improvising and I'm going to make something new, something that I've never done before, first time making it. Little Darina salad. This salad was named after a very special little Ukrainian girl who was born on May 1st, 2025. The new ingredients are dry cured black olives and almond oil. I've never eaten those olives in a salad, never added to the salad, just eating separately, plain or with wine, with cheese, wine and cheese too. So I'm going to shred a cabbage, purple onion. So actually, quarter of the cabbage, half half an onion, half an bell pepper, mixing all together, adding olives, adding red wine vinegar, almond oil, ground black pepper, and sea salt. Remember to mix all well and enjoy. Super healthy, crunchy, fresh little Darina salad.